Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional. The additional of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's Monday, August the 19th, 2024. We have here seven extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku, two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. And the first one I will do is the 3 stars Sudoku. 3 star Sudoku. This will be number 9122. 9122. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28. That's a lot for a 3 stars puzzle. 3 stars puzzle has always 25. This one has 28. Should be a 0 stars puzzle. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 30 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 3 stars or 0 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright, and now let me see. One in this column, one in the column next. So last column, the only two places left for the one should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no one there, 1 should be there. 1. Here I need a 1, 2. Cannot continue with 1. The 9 in this row, the 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 to 2, 3 to 4 to 5 to 6. 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, so we have 6 in the last column, 6 in the column X. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places left to 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left to 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so the last column. The only place left for 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 in the second column, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 2. Alright, now, 9. 5. 5 and the 9 I'm missing here. 5 and the 9, okay. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1's are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. Okay, 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for 6 should be there. 6, 6. 6 in this row, last row, 6 in the row above, so in that row. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the second row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 6. Okay. Okay. 3, 3. Need a 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3. Need a 3 there. That means in this column we need a 3 here. 3 there. Okay. Need a 8. Need a 7. Alright. Need a 5 there. Nine. And need a 9 there. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, need a 9 there. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, I believe the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8. 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. 5, 5, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Need a 9. Need 8. Need a 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. And look, we have 7 and a 9 in this row. No 7 and 9 in this box. 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 9, so 1 is left in this big square for number 8. 1 box left in the second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing here. 7 and 8, 7 and 8, okay. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 goes together with the 9 as a pair. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. The 6, and 7, and 8 is missing. 8 and 5, 8 and a 5. So 1 digit left in the first column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing here. 1 box left in this big square for number. I believe the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 box left in the second column for number. 1, 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing here. 8 and a 4, okay. 7 and 8. Yeah, 9 and a 7. 9, 7, and that. Need an 8 here. Well, 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in this one, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then, let me see. 8, 5, and a 7. No, 5. 3 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is a 5. Here can be 5, we have a 5 in this picture, no 5 there. Here can be 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. Only place left for the 5 in the last row should be there. So if eliminated here the 8, so the 8 goes there. Alright. 3, 8, and that's 7. 3 missing numbers in this picture. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. And 8 is missing. 3, 7, 8. 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8. And look, we have 7 and 8 in this row. No 7, 8 in this box. 7, 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7, 8, 7, and 8. So one digit left in this big square for number 3. And it's 7 and 8. Okay, 3. Ay. Now, 8 and the 4. 8, 4, and the 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so no column next, the only two places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. Digit number 4, number 5, okay. Then let me see. Yeah. Come on. 9 and 7. Two numbers left in this row for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 7 and 8, we have 8 in this middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left with the 7 should be there. Two numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then two numbers left. We have here the 9 and the 7. Here should be also 9 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 9 goes there. So one digit left in this big square for number 9. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left 8 should be there. 7 and 8, we have 8 now in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And the final two numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow. Told you. Need to be faster than 14, 13 minutes. Definitely a 0 stars puzzle. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.